Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lyn. Today I am making a lime marinated chicken breast. This goes on the top of salads, in pastas. You can make a sandwich with this. This is just an all-around great marinade. I've already juiced some lemons, about 4. You can judge this however you want to. This is about a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and I'm just going to put that right down in my bowl. And then I'm going to zest, and I also have some zest of these limes, but I also zested all of them so that it would be really nice and citrusy. And so you'll just get your zester and just go to town on zesting your limes. I've already got that here, so I'm just going to scoop that out into my lime juice. And then I've got a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, about a tablespoon or so of this liquid smoke, and that's a really great secret ingredient. It's really going to be smoky. It's going to taste great. I'm going to grill these here inside, so I need a little bit of smokiness to just add that punch of flavor. I have about a 1/4 cup, everything's almost a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I've got a few garlic cloves chopped. I've got a little bit of pepper, and so it's about a teaspoon of pepper and about a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne and a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to mix this all together really good, try to get it nice and emulsified, and then I'm going to cut the chicken horizontally and put it in the bowl. All right, now this is nice and emulsified. Now I'm going to start on my chicken. So I'm going to be cutting it horizontally so that you have more surface area and the marinade has time to penetrate into the chicken a little bit easier. It's going to work so much better. So if it's just cut horizontally, it's not quite so thick, and you're going to get a lot more flavor in your meat because I'll be cutting it up anyway. I'm going to be putting this on a salad, and I am all into salads now for this week and fresh vegetables because I went to California for a week and I ate the most marvelous food, but I ate too much of the food. So I'm trying to get back to my normal schedule, my normal exercise, all of the normal things that I do, as opposed to just being a glutton and eating so much food. So I'll be having salads with a little bit of protein and clear vegetables for the next week. Then I'm going to take a break, and then I'm going to go back to that for another week and just kind of do this cleanse. Okay, I've got 3 big breasts now that I have split down the middle horizontally. I'm going to be putting those in the marinade, and I'm just going to get both sides really nice and marinated and just cover it with the marinade. I'm going to put plastic wrap over the top of this, put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, and get this nice and marinated with this garlic, soy sauce, delicious lime juice, and it is going to be so delicious. I'm going to grill it up. So I'll see you back here as soon as I have had time to let this refrigerate. All right, it's reading 155. I like to get mine off at 155 because I know that they're going to carry over in the cooking process. Okay, so I've got my last 2 to put in here. And here we go. All right, so I'm going to just grill these on my grill pan, and I'm going to put the top on it, and I have it on medium heat at this point. I did have it on high heat, but once the pan gets super hot, it keeps that heat, and so I go ahead and lower it to a medium, and then I put the lid on so that it will grill on the bottom, but it'll kind of steam on the top so that it gets nice and juicy throughout. So when it registers 155, I like to take it out and let it cook, over a little bit. It's gonna carry over. Okay, so now I'm gonna just cut up the pieces that have been carried over and see how juicy they look. Now I'm gonna cut them across the grain. So you can come in a little closer if you will and see how beautiful this meat is. And it's juicy and delicious, and it's gonna be absolutely perfect in my salad. So I'm just gonna cut those up, put them on my salad, put them in side my wonderful pasta. I could do a pasta primavera if I wanted to do that and put this lime chicken in there. Or, you know, I could just put it and make it into sandwiches all week. So that's my plan, is to do the salad thing. In fact, I'm going to be showing you the salad in the very next video. And it's going to be served with an avocado dressing. Oh my gosh, talk about delicious and healthy. You're going to love the end result of this. I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also get my newsletter at stacylynharris.com.